Today on Lagoon.
My monohull is coming to like a 7-8 knots.
We're going to the blue hole, and one of the fins just went straight down into a 600-foot blue hole.
We're going snorkeling.
We said to ourselves that we will not have any food until we catch something.
I'm Andrea, that's Alejo, those are our bears Ozzy and Echo, and this is our home, Hakuna. Subscribe to join us every Sunday as we explore the world above and below the surface.
What is up, everyone? Good morning. So today we are heading out. Captain, tell us all about it.
So we're leaving Great Harbor.
Great Harbor Key.
Yeah.
Key or Key or whatever.
And we're gonna go around the north part, and I think we're going to Waikiki or something.
Yep.
It's like 5-hour. We're gonna motor sail or maybe motor into the wind once we turn around Harbor Key. And yeah, we're going with our buddy boats, Ajax and Gratitude.
Yep. I think something happened back to them. They got a little stuck or something, but they should be coming out that channel soon. And we took the kids out this morning. What's up, Ozzy? Woo! Good boy. And we have Echo here. Good girl. Good girl. We're excited because the ultimate goal is to arrive to Exumas. We're planning on sailing as much as we can. So that's the reason why we're leaving today, because we have wind coming from the south, and since we have to go up the island and then south in order to cross to Exumas, we're going to leave today, and tomorrow at midnight we're going to leave from maybe Chapki south all the way to Exumas. Maybe we might make it to Highborn Key or straight to Norman's, who knows, maybe. Captain, how are you doing?
We're doing pretty good. We're sailing at 6 knots. We're going upwind.
It's a beautiful day to be out sailing, and Gratitude and Ajax, they're right behind us. We're all going at 5 to 7 knots. It's pretty good. And the waves are awesome. No waves. That's why they're awesome. Full sails. So we just talked with Alejo that we really need to clean the bottom of the boat, because when we first started sailing, we were going pretty slow because the wind was very light. Because the bottom of our boat, our paint, it's been a year and a half, and the paint is already horrible. So we have to clean the boat a lot more often than we would want to, and everything like barnacles, last time we cleaned it was in Miami, and we already have the boat full of things, barnacles and the grass, the weeds, all that stuff, and it's really slowing us down. Maybe about at least half a knot to almost 1 knot. So we really need to jump on that soon. We're probably gonna do it as soon as we arrive to the anchorage, maybe today or tomorrow. Hopefully, maybe today, because this is a really pretty day. But we might also go exploring, who knows? It's winning the race.
Not a race.
Why are you going so fast?
What?
Why are we going so fast compared to everyone else?
My monohull is coming to like a 7-8 knots. We're just going at 6 knots.
So they're going faster, it's just that you didn't go around the island as far away?
Yeah, we're faster going downwind, but they're faster going up.
They're about to catch us?
Yes.
Ajax, we see you, Ajax! Ajax is right over there, and you'll see Gratitude way back there. Hopefully we catch something. We have our fishing lines out. Woo! So Ajax just catched up to us. They're going super fast because we just started going upwind, and they're just going fast and furious. I think this is the one time that monohulls are going to always be catamarans. Wouldn't you say so, Captain?
Yes.
like we might have to go back a little because it's showing 0 depth, so that's not good. But the water is beautiful. And this is where we'll be staying for the next day and a half. We're probably gonna see a blue hole that there's around here, and then we'll head to Exumas.
What's up, guys? So we have arrived at Huffman's Key. We're going to the blue hole. We're gonna check it out, see if we can spear some fish. We're gonna try. And then, yeah, it looks pretty nice. Blue water.
We're gonna see if we spearfish something, which we've sucked the last time we tried, but you never give up. You always persist.
Yeah, so behold.
Woo!
Have you seen
We're
the
going to the
illusion?
blue hole
Like the movie?
through this little trail.
No? Oh man, you have to see it.
Oh shit, it's really cool.
What?
Oh my god.
It's crazy. Yes. We made it to a blue hole, Pete.
Whoa, that's cool.
Hey, so how
So how do we get back up? Not down, back up. Wow. Because you can jump down, but how do you get back up?
You have to climb.
Mierda, mi otra aleta.
Yeah. I see it, right there. Out right on the edge.
They sink?
Oh, hurry.
Did you get it?
Did you get it?
I don't see it. I don't.
It was right on the edge. Yeah, I see it. I thought I saw it drifting
Where?
just right off the edge, but maybe it's gone now.
Shit. They sink?
Can you see it?
No.
No.
It was propped up right on the edge, like leaning like this when I saw it. Oh no. She's just going as deep as she can, I think.
See it? No.
Oh no.
Dang it.
Yeah, so the last time I saw it, it was right underneath you, Alejo, sitting on that edge, like up on end.
How could you see it?
I just saw the fin. All right, so they just dove down to try to get Andrea's flipper. They've been down a bit.
Fuck, I don't want to. ¿La viste?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, let me stand. Where can I? Right here?
I lost it. I don't know.
Right here.
Okay.
But that's really deep.
Careful, yeah, be careful.
Yeah, so those are good.
This was so good. But I can't get
Mine
to
is
that.
just that I can't be brave.
Yeah, careful.
Take a break. By the time they get up, they'll see us. Can you see it from the top?
You see like green, then you start going down, and then all of a sudden you see floor. You see a little flipper.
So it's on the floor.
Yeah. But it's like floor and then it's
Yeah.
another drop off.
He goes.
She's too far away.
Well, but I think
Oh, yeah. I can see her. Malawi. Look out, boy.
There's no way to get to it.
Let's just get your equipment. That's no big deal.
Voy por el tanque.
What's happening is that I was putting my fins on and my mask, and I let go of my fins, and one of the fins just went straight down into a
Right here.
600-foot blue hole. 600.
we
So,
don't know how deep it is.
we don't know how big it is, but it is pretty deep. So we're trying to get it. We see it, but it's really, really deep. And now we're gonna bring the scuba diving gear because the problem is that we see it, but we can't hold our breath long enough be able to grab the freaking fin.
If she's gonna go down, can you go in the water? So
Yeah, we won't let her go down. Don't go down without by yourself.
Excuse me, I am here and I am not a child.
You're gonna keep doing it and then.
Your husband cares about you.
Oh my god.
Plus, how pissed would you be if he came back with all the scuba gear and you had the fin?
That's true. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't.
Let him save the day.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. I found my fin! No, I really did. So Alejo went to the dinghy, to the boat. Tell the story of your
I went to the boat, I grabbed the scuba gear, and when I was walking back, I met Alex on the way. And Andrea had gotten the fin.
Yes. I had to focus. It was all a matter of mental strength because I think physically I was screwed. No, backwards. I mentally was screwed, but physically I still had it in me. So I just had to keep going. And then I went for it. And I found it. It was really deep, but I got it. That's the story, guys.
And that's the furthest, the deepest you've ever gone?
I don't even know.
Yeah, I think so. That's super deep.
So, coming to the Blue Hole was a total success. How was it, Miss Lynn?
Oh, it was awesome. It was really kind of chilly, but yet perfect.
Oh,
it's-
great.
it's
How about
perfect.
you, Perry?
It's perfect, amazing. We were floating forever like floating buddies out in the middle. And when you go out where the sun is, it gets a lot warmer too.
Nice. How was it, Alex?
Great.
Did you love
Alejo
it?
and I jumped off of the
Can you
ledge.
guys jump again? Because we didn't get that in camera.
I don't think so. I think Alejo would
Not gonna happen.
Alejo would cry if we had to do that.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Well, that's it. We might go get some conch or lobster if the men are feeling motivated. I just want fish.
Want some lobster.
Lobster. And our official paparazzi, she's setting the camera for the group photo.
Trying to get
Paparazzi, how do you feel?
Ready.
Where are we going, Jackie?
We're going snorkeling.
What are we looking for?
Lobster.
Anything we can catch and
Alejo's hungry.
We're looking for dinner.
We're looking for dinner. Okay, so we said to ourselves that we will not have any food until we catch something. Is that right?
I didn't say that.
It puts more pressure, so you're more forced to have to
must
find
catch.
something.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you feeling positive about today's?
Yes, we're
Fishing
gonna
hunt.
get like 20 lobsters, 3 snappers.
I think you're being too positive. No, I mean...
Jesus, I see your negative attitude.
I mean, let's keep in mind, this is our first time. Well, not really. This is our second time. The first time we failed miserably. This is... Ooh, what's up in my hair? This is our second time trying to catch something. So, we really hope we find a little something. We're going for it. We're going. Woo! What are we doing?
We're trying to find some conch.
Conch. Or have you found anyone?
Zero.
And that's how we look for conch. How was it, baby?
There's nothing. We didn't find any.
Oh man. We're continuing our way south, so we're going to Bird Key, right?
Yes.
And we're having lunch, and those are our buddy boats. It's a monohull, and then you can see back there the catamaran. And they're recording us, so we can have some footage of our sailing catamaran, and we're recording them, so they can have some sailing footage of their monohull.
We're arriving to the new anchorage. I was reeling in the fishing lines And look, they took the whole lure. They took it up. They took my lure. So yeah, that's like the second one I lose on this trip. That way, I get barracudas. It is what it is.